I am a micropoint of sentient spiritual light. I, the embodied soul, visualize myself as a shining microstar over the forehead in between the eyebrows. That Dehi is bound to 100 trillion cells of my physical body, and hence it has to be freed from this bondage before I can proceed on this spiritual journey to Paramdham. I visualize myself moving out of my seat in the brain and stationing the cell 8 inches above the head. Now I have become bodiless soul or Videhi. In order to see my primary attributes within the soul, the point of light is expanded into a seed form, and the 7 basic attributes are visualized as 7 photon fields of Vibgyor. In this bodiless Videhi stage, I am ever full in all the 7 basic attributes. In fact, Shiv Baba always sees his children in this perfect form, Sampurna Swarup only. Now, I, the bodiless soul, reach my home, the incorporeal soul world, Paramdham. I see my most beloved Shiv Baba spreading the Vibgyor rays to infinity. First, I see the indigo photon rays of true knowledge from the Supreme Teacher Shiv Baba coming towards me and filling my indigo photon field of truth. Now, all points of godly knowledge become very clear to me. I become Trikaldarshi, the knower of 3 aspects of time, Trilokinath, the master of 3 worlds, master seed of the human family tree. Now I see the indigo rays of Shiv Baba spreading to the corporeal world after filling my indigo photon field and filling the indigo photon fields of innumerable souls there, erasing their spiritual ignorance. As these souls now get connected to Shiv Baba directly, their indigo fields get filled and start overflowing. These indigo photons now join together, creating waves of indigo photons throughout the universe. The blue photon rays of peace from the Supreme Mother Shiv Baba illuminate my blue photon field. I experience supreme peace. These peace rays now spill over to the corporeal world after filling my peace field. The blue photon fields of millions of souls get illuminated with the blue photons of peace from Shiv Baba. These souls too experience extreme peace. Soon their peace fields get filled and start overflowing and create strong waves of peace in the universe, giving much relief to the peaceless souls. The green photon rays of spiritual love emanating from Shiv Baba, my supreme consort, are illuminating my green field of spiritual love. I experience the pure, selfless love of God, my supreme consort. These green photons now reach the corporeal world, illuminate the green love fields of millions. These souls too get filled soon, start overflowing, and create strong green waves of spiritual love, erasing hatred, anger, and violence. The yellow rays of suprasensory joy from Shiv Baba, my supreme companion, now fill my yellow photon field of joy. I am swinging with pure spiritual joy. These joy rays of Shiv Baba now reach the corporeal world, illuminate the joy fields of millions. These too start overflowing now, creating strong waves of spiritual joy that erases the gloom and installs the smile on millions of faces. Now, orange rays of purity from my supreme spiritual guide, preceptor, illuminate my orange field of purity. I experience the strength of purity in me. These rays now overflow into the corporeal world, illuminate the orange fields of purity in millions. These souls experience the strength of purity. These orange rays now create strong waves of purity in the universe, erasing the impurities of the soul. Now, I see the red photon rays of Almighty Supreme Father Shiv Baba illuminating my red photon field. I am getting charged with the spiritual powers. Become Master Almighty. These red might rays now spreads to the corporeal world. Illuminate the power fields of millions of souls there. Red might rays of Shiv Baba now unite to create strong red might waves, strengthening the weak and powerless souls. violet photon rays of Shiv Baba, my supreme child, now fill my violet photon field of bliss. I experience supreme bliss. These bliss rays now spread over to the corporeal world, filling the violet fields of millions of souls there. These violet rays of Shiv Baba now unite to form strong violet waves of bliss that spread over the entire universe. As a result, people become free from fear, sorrow, and tensions. I have now become an embodiment of all the 7 basic attributes. I now return to the corporeal world and occupy my seat within the brain to become embodied. My subconscious mind, sanskara, being filled with all the basic attributes, it brings only positive thoughts in my mind. My intellect and mind are filled with divine virtues now. My belief systems, my attitudes, all have become positive. Spiritual and human values are reflected in all my interactions with other souls now. Om Shanti.